So in Codex, you're going to be able to upload your files onto your server. So here we just compressed all the files and put them in a compressed file, and I loaded them to the cPanel. Once I've loaded them to the cPanel, you're going to see that it's going to, upload the file. So it's uploading the file. As it continues to, I'm just looking and kind of just showing you guys what's actually in the file, etc. So you can see that my assets are there, my HTML file, all that good stuff is all there while that's loading up. Okay. So once you get it loaded up, we're gonna go back. Once we go back, you're gonna see that there's a compressed file that's loaded inside of your thing. Then you're gonna go and click on it. Okay. Once you have clicked, oops. Oh, that's me on the desktop. All right, so I'm gonna show you. Right now, there's nothing there but a compressed file. But now when I go in, back inside of my thing, and I click on it and press expand, now you're gonna see those files that are there, okay? And I'm just gonna say expand now. Once it has expand now, that Mac OS thing, I don't need that because that's just from my Mac. I'm just gonna delete that, okay? That's like what they call an individual dot file. And now I have everything that was in my folder there. So now I'm gonna launch it. And when I launch it, the same thing that I have in my preview is now available on the web with my links leaking out and everything. This all was done in less than about 5 minutes. And me just going over doing some things inside of there. Now, there's an area that I'm like, oh my goodness, the thing is cut off. But for everything that I needed, this site is actually ready to go. And this was done using ChatGPT, Codex, and my hosting platform, and just the hosting platform, which is called Name Hero. You can go check them out. I got the link in the description where you can check them out. But this is awesome. And I'll put the link to the website so you can actually look at it and play with it. And hey, maybe you're interested in what we got going on. Anyway, bye.